Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is fashion Instagram templates. Total files are 13, and here is font file, font links. You can download font in this link. So here is many templates, so I drag this file to Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so extract this, and here is three folder. One is text, image and background. You see the background is here. Extract this, double click, and you adjust your own or your favorite color, or you can you can adjust any background color photo. So here is text, and here is photos. Put here your image. So we import image like this. I know this files in high definition, resolution convert in 1000, then drag there. 3000. Right click, create clipping mask. You see, and you see here. Depend on your own choice, you can adjust anywhere this shape or text bar. Okay, so I close this file and close this image here. Import any other file like this. Here is text, elements, image and background. You see about background, about background, and here is your image. You see, double click and drag there. Enter, Control S. You see it there, and you can change background color like this, or select her dress color like this. Depend your own choice. So I open last file. I know you can do easily, very simple. Just import your image here. Here is rectangle, and here is image. You see, so I drag this file. Oh, sorry. Enter, right click, create clipping mask, and our photo in this templates. So I close this file, and I know you can do easily. I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. I love this.